Can someone give the guy who names this stuff a raise? I think he's earned it. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to play with makeup and all things beauty. And today, we've got the new Fenty Skin Tint. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the new Fenty Eaze drop, stay tuned. This is a little bit different of a video because I won't actually be applying the product. Your girl works full-time still, so it's not like I could stop in the middle of a work day, throw together an application video, but I just didn't want to wait any longer to give it a try. I just received it in the mail. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. It comes in 23 shades that are meant to be flexible, and you can build it right from sheer to medium coverage, according to the website. Let's read a little bit more about it. So this is on the Fenty website. A blurring skin tint that delivers smooth, instantly blurred skin in just a few easy drops in 25 available shade options. My apologies, I thought it was 23. The blur is real. Rihanna wanted to create a light coverage, easy to apply, flexible skin tint that instantly evens out your complexion and give a flattering blurred effect. Eaze Drop with hydrating quick blur complex is perfect for a no makeup look or for when you want to look effortlessly put together in 25 adaptable shade options for all. So instant blurring, buildable light to medium long wear coverage with quick blur complex for a hydrating diffused effect. Humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant formula. So those are some big claims. I got mine in the shade 7, which is a light, medium, warm, neutral shade. I went a bit darker in the shade that I chose because I kind of looked at the product description and thought that'd be great for summer. So when I start using self-tan or when I do get a bit of color, I wanted to be able to still use it because this sounds something right up my alley for summer, but not so much winter. So I did go a little bit darker, which is why I'm wearing the turtleneck today. I was able to make it work. It is really flexible. But here's the deal. I'm going to zoom you in. It is currently 6:17 p.m. So I applied this morning when I was getting ready. So I have now had this foundation on for almost 12 hours. You can see. You can still see a little bit of my redness peeking through here. It didn't completely cover that up. A little bit of redness here. It didn't completely cover that up. Here's my lines, my big lines. Didn't completely cover up my sunspot. But look how skin-like it is. Like, it looks like my skin. We're going to zoom back out. So I know that was probably much closer than you ever wanted to get to my face, but I had to show you how incredible this looks. It did gather ever so slightly right here. Other than that, after 10 or 11 hours of wear, I'm a little dewy, but nothing compared to, I mean, I am absolutely blown away. I applied it this morning with a sponge. I applied the product directly to the sponge and then to my face. It blended out so easily. And I mean, the results just speak for themselves. It looks like skin. This is literally a your skin but better product. I'm really impressed with how it's held up throughout the day. I was a little surprised because the bottle actually looks quite small, but it is more than you usually get in a foundation. So this is 1.08 fluid ounces, so just barely over what you normally get in a foundation bottle, which is generally about 1 fluid ounce. So the bottle is deceiving, like it looks like less product. I applied probably about the equivalent of 2 pumps, just squeezing it directly onto my sponge and then applying it to my face. I have not tried it with a brush yet. I will definitely do another video with the application of this product, but I had to come on and film this with how good this looks. Like, I have no words. Now, I have relatively normal skin. I do have some surface dehydration and some dryness in the winter. We are now heading into spring. It was definitely quite a bit warmer today. It was sunny out. I was out in the sun, I was in the vehicle going back and forth between different parts of where my job is located, and I was warm. I mean, I wore a sweater today, and there were moments where I was definitely warm, especially when I was cooking dinner. This is as dewy as I got. Now I can imagine that if you have really oily skin, I'm not sure how this would work for you. Even the fact that I did get a little bit dewy, like you may have to powder it down. I did not set this with a powder. I did not powder my face. I only powdered just an ever so slight amount under my eyes. The only other powder I have on my face is of course like my bronzer, blush, and highlight, but I did not powder the rest of my face. So this is relatively unset, and I am just blown away that it's not in my line. Like, that never happens. That never happens. I almost always have to take like a buffing brush and buff the product out of that deep line and then set it. Unset, no buffing brush, looks like my skin but better. Run, do not walk. Awesome stuff. So that is all I have for you today. I just had to pop on and show you this product. Fenty, you've done it again. You've done it again. Another excellent, excellent product. So that is all I have for you today. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. This stuff is awesome. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, including everything else that is on my face. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me so, so, so much. I am brand new to this, and I'd really love to get the YouTube algorithm to recognize who the heck I am and put my video out there. And if you'd like to stay a while and join my little fam here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn your notifications to all so that you are notified when I upload another video. Current upload schedule is Mondays and Wednesdays with bonus videos like this one to go live when time allows. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe, be healthy, and wash your damn hands. Bye.